Dear friends, today we are going to learn about male reproductive system. The human male reproductive system consists of primary sex organs, the testes, secondary or accessory sex organs, accessory ducts and accessory glands, and the external genitalia, penis. First one is the testis. A pair of testes is situated outside the abdominal cavity in a sac of skin called scrotum. Scrotum keeps the testis at a temperature of 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius, lower than the internal body temperature. It is necessary for the synthesis of sperms. Each testis is oval in shape, measures about 4 to 5 cm in length and is 2 to 3 cm in width. The outermost covering of the testis is formed by a dense fibrous membrane called tunica albuginea. Each testis is divided into 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled tubules called as seminiferous tubules in which sperms are produced. Each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inner side by two highly specialized cells called male germ cells and Sertoli cells. Spermatogonia undergo meiosis to produce sperms. Sertoli cells or nurse cells provide nutrition to the germ cells. The regions outside the seminiferous tubules contain masses of cells called interstitial cells or Leydig cells. Leydig cells synthesize and secrete the male hormones, androgens, example testosterone, which maintain male sexual characteristics. Next is the accessory ducts. The seminiferous tubules open into the vas efferentia through the reti testis. Several vasa efferentia open into the epididymis and carry sperms outside the testis. Epididymis. It is a long coiled tube present along the posterior surface of each testis. It continues as vas deferens that ascends into the abdomen to loop over the urinary bladder. Epididymis temporarily stores non-motile and immature sperms. The duct from seminal vesicles and vas deferens together form the ejaculatory duct. They pass through the prostate gland and join the urethra. They carry secretions of seminal vesicle and sperms from the testis to the outside through urethra. Urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to its external opening called a urethral meatus. It carries urine from the bladder and sperms from the vas deferens through the penis. Next is the accessory glands. Secretions of these glands constitute seminal plasma, which is rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. The accessory or secondary glands include a prostate gland, 2 seminal vesicles, and 2 bulbourethral glands. Prostate glands. It surrounds the urethra and produces a milky secretion which forms a considerable part of the semen. This secretion contains citric acid, lipids, and enzymes. Secretion of the prostate gland nourishes and activates the spermatozoa to swim. Seminal vesicles. These secrete mucus and a watery alkaline fluid that contains fructose, which provides energy to the sperms. Bulbourethral gland or Cowper's glands are attached to the urethra below the prostate gland. They secrete mucus fluid for the lubrication of the penis. External genitalia. Penis is the male copulatory organ having erectile tissues and vascular spaces. When the male is sexually excited, these spaces filled with blood, causing the penis to erect. The distal end of the penis is called glans penis. The glans penis is covered with a smooth skin called foreskin or prepuce. Thank you.